Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Garmin Index scale. First, unbox your new scale and insert the 4 AA batteries provided. Next, find a hard, flat surface, like a tiled floor, to place your scale for the most accurate readings. Avoid carpets or uneven surfaces. Finally, download the Garmin Connect app onto your smartphone or tablet from your app store. This app is essential for connecting and managing your scale. Once you have the Garmin Connect app installed, open it and navigate to the Garmin Devices section in the menu. From there, select Add Device and choose the Index Smart Scale from the list. The app will then guide you through the pairing process. Make sure your smartphone's Bluetooth is turned on and active to allow the scale to connect seamlessly. This connection is crucial for syncing your data. After pairing, you'll need to create or select your user profile within the Garmin Connect app. This ensures your measurements are attributed correctly. Now, step onto the scale barefoot. It will display your weight and other metrics, then automatically sync them to your profile. The scale can identify up to 16 different users based on their weight, making it easy for multiple family members to use. If you encounter any issues, a simple troubleshooting step is to remove and then reinsert the AA batteries. This often resolves minor connectivity problems. For maintenance, keep your scale clean by wiping the glass surface with a damp, lint-free cloth. Avoid harsh chemicals. Remember to check the description below for a link to the simple path to wealth and other great deals. This book offers valuable insights into managing your finances effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.